Picture this: you're juggling 20 different bug reports, 3 feature requests, and 5 urgent client issues, all scattered across email threads, Slack messages, and sticky notes on your monitor. Sound familiar? There's got to be a better way to manage all this chaos, and that's exactly what we're diving into today. Linear has been making waves in the project management world, and for good reason. It's not just another issue tracking tool, it's a complete rethink of how development teams should organize, prioritize, and execute their work. Unlike traditional project management tools that feel bloated and overwhelming, Linear strips away the noise and focuses on what actually matters: getting things done efficiently. What makes Linear fundamentally different is its philosophy of speed and simplicity. When you create an issue in Linear, you're not bombarded with dozens of fields to fill out. Instead, you get a clean interface that encourages you to capture the essential information quickly and move on. The tool is built around keyboard shortcuts and rapid workflows, which means you spend less time clicking through menus and more time actually solving problems. Let's talk about how Linear structures work. Everything revolves around issues, but these aren't your grandmother's bug reports. Issues in Linear are flexible containers that can represent bugs, features, tasks, or any unit of work your team needs to track. Each issue gets a unique identifier, something like ENG247, which makes referencing specific work incredibly straightforward in conversations, code comments, or documentation. The real magic happens with Linear's approach to organization. Most tools force you into rigid hierarchies or complex folder structures, but Linear uses a combination of teams, projects, and cycles that mirror how modern development actually works. Teams represent different groups within your organization, maybe your front-end team, back-end team, or design team. Projects are larger initiatives that might span multiple cycles, and cycles are time-boxed periods where specific work gets completed. This structure brilliantly solves one of the biggest problems in project management: the disconnect between high-level planning and day-to-day execution. Your product roadmap items can be broken down into specific issues that developers actually work on, maintaining clear traceability from strategic goals all the way down to individual pull requests. Linear's triage system deserves special attention because it addresses something most teams struggle with: deciding what to work on next. Instead of letting issues pile up in a chaotic backlog, Linear encourages regular triage sessions where you quickly categorize incoming issues. You can mark things as bugs, feature requests, or improvements, assign priority levels, and route them to the appropriate teams. This systematic approach prevents the all-too-common scenario where critical issues get buried under a mountain of nice-to-have features. The priority system itself is elegantly simple. Instead of arbitrary numbers or confusing labels, Linear uses 4 clear levels: urgent, high, medium, and low. Urgent issues are true emergencies that stop everything else. High priority items are important but not world-ending. Medium priority represents your standard workflow, and low priority captures those someday maybe ideas. This clarity eliminates endless debates about whether something should be a priority 2 or priority 3. Integration capabilities set Linear apart from many competitors. It connects seamlessly with GitHub, GitLab, and other development tools, automatically linking issues to pull requests and deployments. When a developer references a Linear issue in their commit message, the issue updates automatically. When code gets deployed, stakeholders get notified without any manual intervention. This creates a single source of truth that stays current without requiring constant maintenance. The notification system demonstrates Linear's thoughtful design philosophy. Instead of bombarding everyone with every update, Linear intelligently determines who needs to know what and when. If you're assigned to an issue, you get notified of status changes. If you're mentioned in a comment, you hear about it. But you're not constantly interrupted by updates on issues that don't concern you. This respect for attention and focus is rare in productivity tools. Linear also excels at providing visibility without micromanagement. Team leads can quickly see what everyone is working on, identify bottlenecks, and spot patterns without diving into individual issues. The various views, list, board, timeline, let different people consume the same information in whatever format makes sense for their role. Developers might prefer the focused list view, while project managers might gravitate toward the visual board layout. One of Linear's most powerful features is its search and filtering capabilities. You can instantly find issues by assignee, priority, team, project, or any combination of criteria. This becomes incredibly valuable as your issue database grows. Instead of scrolling through endless lists, you can quickly surface exactly the information you need. The search is fast enough that it becomes a natural part of your workflow rather than a slow, frustrating experience. Linear represents a new generation of project management tools that prioritize user experience and actual productivity over feature checklists. It recognizes that the best tool is often the one that gets out of your way and lets you focus on real work. By combining thoughtful design, powerful functionality, and seamless integrations, Linear creates an environment where issues get tracked, prioritized, and resolved efficiently. The key to success with any issue tracking system is adoption and consistency. Linear makes both easier by being genuinely pleasant to use and flexible enough to adapt to different team workflows. Whether you're a startup trying to organize your first development process or an established company looking to streamline your existing chaos, Linear offers a fresh perspective on how issue tracking should work. If you found this deep dive helpful and want more insights into productivity tools and development workflows, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content.